Our IOD bookends were made out of some wood that was actually a heavy-duty composite that was used to make linoleum blocks. They would have had linoleum glued to one side. These came through without the linoleum, so we've been using them for other projects. First thing we did is glue them together and then clamp them, and then attach them to one piece which we used as a base. Very simple, super easy to do. This particular wood is countertop weight, so it's very heavy. And as you can see, this is a super basic design for a bookend. But when you add the IOD molds, it makes a beautiful shabby chic bookend. We use the IOD Moulds Laurel and the IOD Mould Heirloom Roses to make these bookends. As we made the molds, or the castings, we glued them down in layers, letting them dry overnight each layer, and then adding another layer the next day. That way we knew that it wasn't going to all crack and it would dry faster rather than piling them all up on top of each other and then waiting for them to dry. Once we had the design exactly how we wanted it, we painted it and a couple layers of paint, and then we did a dry brush effect, and then we waxed it. After we were happy with the first one, we started working on the second bookend and tried to make it exactly the same or really close to the same.